Number 10. An experiment is set up to investigate gas exchange in aquatic plants. The hydrogen carbonate indicator solution is orange at the start. Which color is it after 3 hours? So, hydrogen carbonate indicator is used in this question, in this experiment. And the aquatic plant is, of course, the plant that can live in the water or underwater, and it can photosynthesize in the water as well, which means it will use CO2. So it's gonna suck up this CO2 and use it for the photosynthesis. It produces oxygen in return and glucose molecules as well. So it says hydrogen carbonate indicator is orange at the start. So how is hydrogen carbonate indicator used? It's used to measure the presence of CO2, like how much CO2 is present. Is there many, like a lot of, not many molecules, or a lot of carbon dioxide molecules in the area or not? So it depends on the color change. The color change actually depends on how much CO2 is present. So if there's a lot of CO2, let's say a lot. There's like few molecules, CO2 molecules. If there's less CO2, it's going to change the color into close to the purple. Okay? So that's like I think there's a nice, very nice picture or the diagram, which I can't really find at the moment, but I'll probably just draw it for you. Okay, so if there's less CO2, the color will change into the purple, or closer to purple. So this is just like a rule. It just happens. If there's a lot of CO2 molecules, then the color will change into yellow. So this is something you guys should just memorize. So hydrogen carbonate indicator will change the color to yellow if there's a lot of CO2. It's going to change the color to purple if there's only few CO2 molecules. Okay? So this is just one of those things that in biology you just have to memorize, like without knowing why. There's of course reason for this, but you don't have to know why it's happening. At this stage, you guys are preparing for the exams and stuff, so just memorize this part, okay?